You manage a Power BI model containing a measure named total sales. You need to write a DAX measure that computes the year-to-date aggregate of total sales relative to a chosen date. Complete the expression by selecting the correct elements for each blank. The available options are A. Total YTD, B. Calculate, C. Sum, D. Evaluate, E. Date, F. Today, G. EO month, date, and H. Last date, date. Let's consider what the question asks. We are looking for DAX functions or expressions to fill in blanks in a formula that calculates a year-to-date aggregate. Time intelligence in Power BI relies on specific functions designed to handle dates and periods, like years, quarters, and months, ensuring that calculations respect the calendar context and relationships defined in your model's date table. In my view, the correct answer is that the first blank should be filled with A, total YTD, and the second blank should be filled with E, date.
To explain why, the total YTD function is a built-in time intelligence function in DAX, specifically designed to calculate the year-to-date total. It evaluates the specified expression, such as your total sales measure, over a date column filtered to include all dates up to the current context. The date column, date, provides the necessary date reference for this evaluation.
All right, let's take a look at this question. Which DAX function is designed to calculate the sum of values over a period of time starting from the current year and ending at the current date? Now, the correct answer here is total YTD, which stands for total year to date. Other options, like calculate or sum alone, do not provide the built-in time intelligence required for year-to-date accumulation without constructing complex custom filter logic, making total YTD the most efficient and correct choice here.